In this video, we're going to look at how you can monitor your email send statistics. So what you need to do is come in here, come up to broadcast, and that'll show you all of your past sent broadcasts. And you can click on any one of them that you want to, and it'll open it up and it'll give you some statistics. So this here was sent to 87 people and it had a 51% open rate and 6.9% click rate, okay, with 0 unsubscribes. If you wanted to see the specific people that opened, you could click on that. If you wanted to see the specific people that clicked, you could click on that one there. If you wanted to see the recipients or who unsubscribed or what the email looked like, you could click on any of these other three here. Okay, so that's simply how you see your statistics. Now, I'll show you one other thing here. I'll show you how you can check your statistics on a split test email. And to do that, you would, again, click on the email, and you can see them here. So you can see that add this to your bag of tricks expires tomorrow, had a 32% open rate and a 6.9% click-through rate, versus closing tomorrow, SEO webinar expires soon, that had a 27%. So that's how you can see the results of a split test. And yeah, so pretty simple. That's how you use statistics inside of ConvertKit. That's how you look at statistics.